Have you ever wondered, can a fluid be both a solid and a liquid? Why can water build up so high on top of a coin? How heavy is air? Can you extract your own DNA? Why can some insects stand on water? Today, we are going to learn about all of that and more. Hi everyone, I'm Emily Calandrelli, MIT engineer and host of Emily's Wonder Lab, and on my channel, we learn about all things space and science. So grab those highlighters and those black lights, so grab your bubble wands, grab your pipe cleaners, because we're about to crystallize.
Emily's Science Lab, stay curious and keep exploring. Emily's Science Lab, stay curious and keep exploring.
When it comes to sinking or floating, it all has to do with density. Crystals are highly organized solids with a regular repeating structure of molecules, and we are going to make some today. Well, a soap bubble is actually a soap sandwich with 3 different layers. One of soap, one of water, and then another one of soap. And that inside layer of water will begin to evaporate. And once that happens, it creates a weak point in your bubble, and it will pop on its own. As the banana ripens, the chlorophyll in the peel breaks down, revealing a yellow color underneath. This is similar to how leaves change color in the fall. We can create our monster finger effect. Whoa! And that is our floating stick woman party. Whoa! Oh no! No! It ate my mouth. This is our unpoppable bubble. Look at that! And this is a bubbly alien world. What? Ta-da! Doesn't that look so cool? It changes color. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. Whoa! Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh! I'm Emily Calandrelli. Subscribe to learn about all things science and space. And remember to stay curious and keep exploring. I'll see you next time.